opportunity here given to me. I have three phases to speak. One is not to counterattack anybody, but to enlighten and further discuss with my 35 years or over 35 years of experience in the travel industry. So if I have traveled in the last 6 months, I think I must have traveled more than 1 lakh kilometers in the last 6 months, though there were COVID conditions. Besides that, globally, most of our friends, our brothers, our cousins here have traveled more than me globally because of the nature of their profession, like shipping. But shipping restricts you to ports. I have been a fortunate person and self-chosen profession of travel, which helped me travel globally also. Okay. Besides that, the travel industry crashed down in last March. So there's nothing that we could do for ourselves, COVID conditions. And my second part would be that where I had to find something which I could not only help myself, but help other people in the Konkan region. Why Konkan region? I'm in love with that. I'm in love with Kadwai. Believe me, if somebody asks me what I can do for Kadwai, I can lay down my life for Kadwai without asking anything in return. So that was my whole motive of ensuring that I get more associates and entrepreneurs in the Konkan region. Unfortunately, I'm not. So the FMCG would be my second. The third part would be speaking on a lot of big projects that we want, but that will be post-launch. Now coming first to tourism, with due respect to Akhlaq Bhai, who's dedicated his life for the last 12 years in the travel industry. Rural tourism, for example in Kadwai, because this was more of a grooming or stimulus with ideas. Am I right?
Yes.
Irfan? I was asked to discuss this even before on our platform called Kadwai Blues. But somebody who knew much more than me probably counter-attacked me and said, your 35 years is bullshit. I'm a smart man, I know more than that. Keep that aside. Having said that, Kadwai is a place which is a little inside of the highway. Now, rural tourism throughout the globe, okay, I will speak only a touch base on that. I have traveled to Australia where we have gone and stayed in the houses of people to know how those farmers, sheep rearing or how they do that. I've gone and stayed in Europe in the houses. There's a company called Trafalgar. Okay, they do a lot of these homestays in Europe. I've done that in US. I've done that in Russia too. Coming to India, if you travel now, coming to the Konkan part, because that's where we are here for. Like Akhlaq Bhai has traveled, I have not traveled so widely in terms of tourism. I have traveled, and whenever I travel, I open my eyes and ears, and I'm more of a foot soldier. Just to keep you informed, at this age also I managed to, and I make it sure that I walk 10 to 15 kilometers a day. So wherever there's a bus available also, not that I can't afford, alhamdulillah, but I prefer walking because when I walk, I see a lot of things and I learn a lot of things. And they say a man who's traveled is wiser than anybody else. Coming to the Konkan region, just give an example, is one Mr. Sawan, who's a librarian at Bhavans College, Andheri. Now this gentleman has opened a resort in Lanja, away from the highway, 8 kilometers, made his own road, like you said, mud road, and a wonderful insight into what Lanja people do. What Akhlaq Bhai said, roti, hai, tesagla, right? I traveled with Irfan, I think about 5-6 years ago, we traveled a lot, right, together. And homestays. Now, homestays is possible in a place where there is some industrial or business movement. When it comes to homestays for Kadwai, now I'm emphasizing on Kadwai because as I said, I can lay down my life for Kadwai and benefit of Kadwai. When we want to do homestays for Kadwai, it is possible. We will have to have a little of infrastructure on that. We have to be a little flexible on that. Now, tourism is an industry which goes, unfortunately, we are all Muslims, we all pray 5 times a day, alhamdulillah. Tourism and liquor are part and parcel, right? We, as Muslims, would not want that to happen in our houses. Irrespective if you have to call, now tourism, in rural tourism, it's everybody wants to go and visit. As you rightly put. Okay, give them what is required, what they don't get outside. Give them that and make it a window for them to insight to our culture and our where we live. So if Kadwai has to be looked upon, now we have a dam where we could do something like boating, which again that Veerban Hotel are proposed to build. Yeah, we can do some kayaking facility, you know, when the water's flowing, we can do that. But that's an opportunity. But what does a tourist look at? Because as Akhlaq Bhai said, I have accompanied tours. I was a senior VP in one of the biggest companies of India, looking after right from Jammu to Kanyakumari and Siliguri to Kutch. Traveled vast expanse of India. Wherever we have seen rural tourism, and Kadwai especially now, what we would require is first to open up our minds. Our mindset is very, very important for us. Unless we don't open our mindset, do not expect tourists to come. Simple reason, we are 3 kilometers or 2.5 kilometers precisely from a highway inside. So who would come? The non-Muslims, not the Konkan people. The Konkan people will not come. We don't have any business opportunity in Kadwai. So we don't have business with coming to stay for overnight. Gharcha Javan, Gharguti Javan, if you see towards Harnai and all that side, सगळ्यावर घराच्या बाहेर बोर्ड आहे. त्यांचे जमिनी पण आबाद आहेत, त्यांची घरा पण आबाद आहेत. They are not like you and me who have blocked their houses. What they have done is simple. And they said opening a mindset. What is that? आज alhamdulillah सगळ्याची मोठी मोठी घरं आहेत, माझा नाही आहे, मला गरज नाही. But anyway, those who have houses in the village, 1 or 2 rooms dedicated, एक माणूस ठेवतो इथे राहतो, housekeeper as such. And what they have done is they have given these 2 rooms, एक बाल्टी गरम पानी देतात, एक बाल्टी, not more than that. अंडा पाव या जो भी है सुबह का नाश्ता करो. This is now if you go and visit further from Lanja to Goa, there's something called a restaurant called Spice Garden. Okay. Now when you visit this place, थैला जेवण तुम्हाला लोकल स्पाइस जो ग्रो करतात त्याचा जेवण बनवून देतात. आम्ही पाहुणचारी करतो आणि लोकांना हे करतो, बराबर, कोंबडा कापून आहे. We need to give that kind of dishes served, right? We need campfire as rightly put. Yes. So there is an opportunity in Kadwai, but what we need is a platform like we, like we rightly put, Jamaat al-Muslimin Kadwai is the supreme body for Kadwai, with their blessings and Blooming Earth ke saath. Okay, I'm going to mix Hindi, Urdu, Konkani, English. Blooming Earth will have to take this project, or Jamaat al-Muslimin will have to give them permission to say, yes, we'll open up doors for you. We'll open up doors for non-Muslims. We'll open up doors for anybody and everybody who wants to come in. We cannot restrict ourselves. The moment you in tourism, the world is open to the tourist. उसको जब बोलोगे ये मत करो. And the classic example of somebody from Kadwai or associated with Kadwai in a way, who started a farmhouse and had to stop his resort halfway through because people came with liquor. He would not serve. माझ्या बॅगेत काय मी बघला नाही ना टुरिस्टच्या बॅगमध्ये. I'll tell you, when we went to travel to Australia, there's something like quarantine. You can't take Indian food out. Customs seizes it. You have to, there's a declaration you have to. You cannot check. And पकड़ते तो जब्त कर देते. अभी local tourism you cannot check that. So are we open to that? A big challenge, Akhlaq Bhai, with all due respect to your findings, the biggest challenge that you would find in Kadwai. And rightly, it's not wrong. Who wants to think? But then we have to open up our minds to that kind of tourism. So we have that. We have a lot of touristic places like mandirs and I think a fort.
Monuments, any historical monuments or religious.
Kadwai is a blessed land. Believe me, we have not utilized even 1% of what Kadwai should have been utilized commercially. Not even 1%. Forget, leave alone that we are not doing our own farming. Now I just go back to what I was saying. मैं बोला ना कि घराची आबाद कशी जाईल? They all work either here or abroad. But believe me, the only drawback or difference जो है आमच्यात कडवईकरात किंवा कोकणात खालच्या पाट्यात वरच्या पाट्याला पण शिववर्धन पण जातो मी शिववर्धन मसला गावात. I was surprised कि मार्केट में जहाँ सूखी मच्छी बिकती है वहाँ पे यूरोपियन टूरिस्ट है. I'm not talking of local tourists, European tourists. आंखों देखा हाल है मेरा. I have been staying there for 3 days. I was a guest of Mr. Peshima, who was fortunately one of my associates or colleagues in the industry. And थैला मी बाजारात जाऊ गेलो ना, जसं आमचं मंगळवार बाजार भरते बामणवाडी. The European tourists, what do they have? त्या घरात एक रूम दिलेला आहे. Now European cannot do without his drink in the evening. He cannot go without going to the beach. Or European tourist is incomplete. We don't have a beach, but we have certain water sports. Are we open to that? Why am I speaking on these lines? Is for people need to ponder upon, are we ready for it before we even take a next step of saying, "Ami karuya, karuka no punch." Are we ready for that kind of? We are a traditionally conservative community, which is not wrong. I'm with it. But if we have to get showcase Karwai, outside Karwai, this is one thing. Open up our doors, open up our minds first. Everybody, I think, has got lavishes. Of course, now the houses are becoming smaller because of the nuclear family and not the joint family concept. But अजून पण मोठ घर आहेत गावात, ही मोठी. If they can open up doors, yes, we have an opportunity for people. Yes. Huh? Yes. So, just wanted to share this idea with you how ecotourism can work. Because we have a lot of जैसे पहले बैलगाडी आहे हे सगळं करू शकतो. But first thing is opening a mindset and ते आमचे जमातचे चेअरमॅन पण सिस्टम करतात. We have to त्यांना जरा विचार करावा लागेल की then individually all of us sitting in this room will have to think, are we ready for such a situation? There is a huge potential. Believe me, people are looking for a 2-nighter, 1-nighter, 3-nighter. You know, when I had decided, I'll close this topic of tourism with a simple thing. Kadwai alone cannot sustain a 2-night, 3 days package. What do? Bring the guy to Kadwai. One day take him to Ganpatipule and Fort. What is that? Tiba Palace and all that in Ratnagiri. Kanshi, the black and the white beach. Okay, give them a beach day. Bring them back. Next day keep them Kadwai and its surroundings. Third day take them to the hot water springs. Thank you, Arodi. Ununa. Very different. That is our USP for rural tourism. Irfan, these points are to be noted by you since you are a part of B, and in case B wants to take this project, it will be a 2-night, 3 days package. Simple, very simple. Kuch nahi usme. Yesterday I was traveling from Punjab. These guys are gone to Vaishno Devi. और वहाँ से गांव में गए वो लोग. Unfortunately, current सरकार का तो और Indian Navy guys. In the canteen and the Kulava. So they said हम लोग उधर गांव में 2 दिन रहने. How much do you spend for 2 days? 1 night, 2 days, including meals, 700. Not a big amount. So that's about what opportunity lies in tourism. Second phase, the second thing that I was supposed to speak is FMCG. Anybody knows what is the full form of FMCG? I'm asked out. Okay, fair enough. It's a fast moving consumer goods. COVID आयला गेल्या वर्षी. Travel line collapsed. You all know, our travel both 9. I was into international travel, specializing in Europe and Australia. आमचे सगळे groups cancelled. Companies closed down. माझ्या कंपनीला 3,500 employees होते. All unemployed, suddenly. In addition, our owners ran off with 3,000 crores from Yes Bank and Axis Bank. Scooted off. 2 of them are behind bars, but that's the scheme. So what do? I had a family to survive, right? COVID mada. Heavy lockdown. I think we only traveled once in that heavy lockdown. 4 of us traveled to Kadwai. And that time nothing had happened. But then sitting down at home, there was only one machine which was working during that time. During lockdown. Anybody can tell me which machine was working? Machine, I said. Kotawa चालूच होता. थांबला नव्हता. जोरात चालला होता. Let me tell the hoteliers, the shopkeepers earned at least पुढच्या 5 वर्षाचा पैसा त्यांनी एका त्या 3 महिन्यात कमवले. And I'm talking of actual figures from a hotelier friend and those banyas who are doing business. नुसता आमचा मिलतनगर चालू होता. भर रमजानमध्ये पण आणि तसा पण सगळा मिळेल. Having said that, I said, what do? So I did a little research. And that trip to Kadwai for the school thing got me motivated to travel further. And that is how 6 months I traveled and did a research what is missing where. I identified products, thank you to my wife, who's a Google guru. She started identifying products, I started doing R&D. Together, identified a few products. Now, products are there's a demand for the products, but there's nobody to distribute the products. So FMCG mada ek aste manufacturer. I'm just giving you a rough guideline. I'm not giving my trade secrets. Second is a super stockist for a particular area of a particular state. So I'm a super stockist for a number of things for Maharashtra. I'm a super stockist for a few things for Konkan region. I intentionally took the Konkan region because I wanted to ensure that if I'm going to be an entrepreneur, let me have some और कोई दो तीन कोकनी लोग तो मैं साथ में जोड़ा. How did this idea come? When I traveled from Panvel to Goa, that's a Konkan belt. What is that? You are a traveler over there.
Yes, yes.
Revdanda Asudya, Alibag Asudya, Roha, Nagotre. I traveled length and breadth. Lanka, Rajapur, Bengulla, Fonda in Kankauli. And believe me, on the whole stretch, can anybody tell me how many Muslims, forget about Kokanese, how many Muslims distributors were there? Any wild guess? No gift for that.
20%.
Zero. No, I won't say zero. You're very close to a zero, but let's take on the positive side. त्यात मला नुसते 3 कोकणी मिळले आणि 3 मेमन मिळले. And guess who are the rest? आमच्या कडोळे गावात माल कोण पोहोचवते हे तरी सांगा. अगरवाल, sitting in Deoru. Agarwal sitting in Deoru. Right? So then I said, where do I go from here? Then I decided, okay, since अल्लाह ने मुझे एक जरिया दिया है, रास्ता बताया है मेरे कामयाबी के लिए, इंशाल्लाह मैं किसी और को जरिया बनाता हूँ. And I decided we'll stand and make Kokanis as associates. Alhamdulillah, I have not been so successful. I have been successful in the upper part of Konkan. नुसतं एकाच गावात मला अजून माणूस मिळलाय नाही, एकाच तालुक्यात. खंयचो तालुका असेल सांगा? हां? I've got an associate in Chiplun, alhamdulillah. I've got an associate in Khed, I've got an associate in Revdanda, I've got an associate in Roha, Ratnagiri, Lanza, Rajapur, Kanpur, सगळ्यावर मिळले मला. पण संगमेश्वरला अजून सर मला आम्ही त्या मशीच्या बाकार बसू, सुट्टे मारू, इकडची बातें करू, ह्याची गिबत करूची, पण nobody wants to come because आम्हाला काय झालं, traditionally we are shipping guys, right? So what comes to the foreman? $1000 मिलता है, 1200 मिलता है, 1400, 1500 मिलता है. That's all that comes from it. Why are the Sindhis, the Gujarati, non-Muslims, let me put it that way, why are they so successful? There are South Indians, there are Gujaratis, there are Marwadis in our Konkan doing this business. Why are we not successful? We look at a very simple thing. Can I use this if you don't mind? Simple reason. What is this amount? What is this amount you as an investment? Anybody from here?
A small amount.
No, for you, so you are a businessman. I'm talking of especially my brothers, my cousins, my friends who are not from the business community. It's not a small amount. Let me tell you one thing. When you go to the rural places, this also becomes a very big amount. Right? This also becomes a big. But what do they ask me? How much we are getting returns? First question. Yes, correct. When they see that the margins are small, they do not look at the turnover. This business of FMCG works on a magical word called turnover. आपने 3 लाख रुपए लगाए, अरे इसमें कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. But the turnover, the harder you work, the more you work, the more products you have, your turnover can go up to, what did you say that in gentleman 3 crores at 7%?
Yeah.
Very good. I would like to meet him because in the travel industry there's nobody getting more than 4%.
Yes.
Over last 20 years. 4% मिलत नाही. So 7% income is less good. It's why the margin is not good. But when you look at a turnover of 50 lakhs, it's, yes, Sana, you're right. This business is in terms of volumes. Because the margins are low. So how does this work? One is a super stockist, SS, who gets a very low margin. I'm not telling you how much margin. It varies from product to product. Then there is a stockist, there is a distributor and a retailer. The biggest man winner in this is the retailer. आज आमच्या गावात एक कोरियाने दुकान पण टाकला ना छोटासा. आमचा लियाकताचा दुकान लई मोठा होता. 1/4 of that. And we Bombay cigarette टपरी बघून एवढी असते. That gentleman earns 5,000 to 6,000 net profit home every day. Every day. So retailer gets anything between 8 to 15 to 25% on the product. Why does he get the most? He holds stocks. He is the one who promotes the stock to the consumer. Distributor कमी मिलते. Then stock is a little lesser and the super stock is very less margin because he is the one who is going to supply to all of these people. So he gets a lease. But again, that is not volume turnover. My request is, today there are two types of FMCG products. One is the consumer and one is the durable and non-durable. Sorry. Non-durable products are cars, your iPhones, your wristwatches, fridge, blah 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 blah. AC, show off. Thank you. Durable products, non-durable products have very less shelf life. That is your biscuits, your soft drinks, your consumer products, basically day-to-day use. And believe me, how many of you can stay without food and without day-to-day products? None of us. Whether we are well off or whether that man staying in a shanty, none of us can stay without this. That was my whole idea of why to enter this business. Because once upon a time, being very proud to say I was a part of a travel industry, said, oh, it's the biggest industry on the face of the earth. But today, this industry is the fastest growing industry on the face of the earth. In India, it is expected to grow. I'm sorry I could not do a presentation. I was traveling. I've come after a long travel yesterday. This industry is supposed to grow to 3.4 lakh crores. And let me tell you, when Mukesh Ambani entered this business, it's not because he doesn't have money. It's a growing industry. It's a growing industry. It's overall, worldwide, this industry is about $103.7 billion. And I'm here, I'm talking only of non-durable. Durable products mein bata raha hu. Largest companies like Nestle, Unilever, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Danone, and few others like that. These are companies. Now here we are looking at opportunity for people in the Konkan region. I'm still, as Irfan rightly put it, I'm still looking for associates. I am dealing in a lot of products right now, and every 2 months, alhamdulillah, as I said, I started somewhere in July, August, September. By now, I already have 4 good products in my kitty, and every 2 months, my intent is to see that I, get newer products to it. This is an opportunity for people who are not interested in sea line or the shipping, and see that if God forbid the shipping industry should not nosedive as done about 15 years ago. But this is an opportunity for them to join hands. Any of you in this room who are welcome, forget me, forget Asif Qazi, forget Asif Qazi's company. When I'm not here to promote my company or my products. If any of you know, in your know-how, if somebody has got some small finance and ready to invest, please ask them to enter this industry. It's a huge, huge, huge opportunity. Besides, let me ask one of these people from shipping, why not? I'll ask my own brother who's sitting right here. Dada, you're in shipping, right? You're a master for so many years. I'm the respected master. And you, whatever your salary, I don't want to know. I never ask and never will ask. What if somebody says, I'm giving 20,000 extra per month? Anybody in this room, forget Dada, I'm going to ask everybody. जब तुमला कोणी मला 20,000 रुपये जास्ती देता महिन्याला. Get out, please. हाँ, मगजमारी. You don't have to do it. Have a trusted definite to do it. There are so many people become a जरिया एक बनो किसी का. आज बेरोजगारी इतनी बढ़ गई है, कोविड ने इतनी बढ़ाई है बेरोजगारी. I'm sorry, Zamir, but you may not be aware, but I am talking because I know 3,500 colleagues of mine have become unemployed. Believe me, they sold fish on the roads. So I'm talking of those such people. If each of us or 2 of us think of supporting and say, चल वो 5-5, 10, it's not 5-10 हज़ार. ये खेल करोड़ों का है. ये खेल करोड़ों का है. But I'm just giving an example कि 10-20 हज़ार पे ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं. And I can make say you invest and say okay आसिफ खड़ा रहे. We help Kokanese. My intent is to help Kokanese stand. That's my intent. So please understand where I'm coming from. I'm not asking you or Dada or anybody to invest for you. I'm saying think of the opportunity that you can give certain voice to. Be a part of this growth industry. Having said that, do not associate with me. Of course, you all want to, you're welcome to. But I can always guide them. What I've done is, my last leg of this speech would be, or discussion would be, I not only asked somebody for investment. I'm only a classic example of a 22-year-old boy who just went 6 months before the COVID to the Gulf. Lost his job, came back, did not know what to do. He suddenly came to a plastic ban area. Okay, he buys a small machine and starts producing paper bags. By the time he could do all this, plastic bags were back in use. So idea fell flat. Poor boy, couldn't do much. Fortunately, unfortunately, Allah ने मुझे उसको मिला है. So I said, why don't you do? And he was selling कवटा एक होतो तो, गावठी कवटा. दिसाची 500 कवटा एक होतो. इकडे म्हणजे नावाचे जमा करे आणि रत्नागिरी टाउनला गेले तो इके. It's a 120 rupees a dozen, 140 rupees a dozen, not cheap. So त्यांनी ते चालू केलं. Then he met me and he gave the idea. He said, why don't you do one thing? So माझी height 4-5. Today he's taken a truck, small truck, drives himself. त्यांनी अनेक गावांचा पोरगा जो बेकार होता त्याला घेतला. And today, alhamdulillah, he only buys out of my 4 products, he buys only 2 from me. But he's got 14 products with him. Kokni boy, all of 22. So yes, there's an opportunity in this line. What I'm requesting you all is, forget Asif Kazi, don't look at Asif Kazi as well. It's an eye opener because we don't look at, besides, I'm talking about good tap away. Yeah, the shipping or the new guys will be doctors, engineers, whatever, and that's a profession. Besides professional, आप उसे सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम भी कह के गए हैं कि तिजारत में बरकत है. Right? Am I correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. I would love to stand corrected. So, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, become entrepreneurs, become your boss. किसी के बाप की सुनी नहीं. I'm my boss. With that, I would like to thank you all. And if any of you are interested in knowing what products I have, you can come and ask me later. But yes, alhamdulillah, Allah to ihsan hai. I have been successful to a very large extent in a very short span of time. Alhamdulillah, thank you for support of my family and duas from all of you all. And I'm standing here today. Jazakallah khair.